Hey folks, welcome back to the first video of 2022. This is Satwik Sridhar Suvarna. Early morning man, heading towards Hoskote to have the early dose of mutton biryani. Long time ago when I used to travel by this route, I had Anand Dum Biryani 2 or 3 times and Dum Biryani for a couple of times, and the recipe of Hoskote Biryani, the improvised version, is already uploaded in our channel. You can check it out. So this is probably the first food review in this channel. I wouldn't call it a food review, but rather call it a food tasting video. So let's see. I think this is bullet rice, a combination of bullet rice and siraga sambar rice. Small pieces of mutton here. Very good. Slightly on the spicier side. Proper Donne style. This biryani is similar to Donne biryani, right? This is Donne biryani, not dum. And it's in dum style. Flavors are robust here. Mutton pieces are very small. It's not a biryani piece mutton, right? Yeah. Small mutton pieces. And mutton comes with some fat here. That's how it becomes economical. Small pieces are there. Yeah. You can serve that in plates. But it's proper spice. It's very good. Tomato is also important. I put tomato in this. Already very dark, man. How was the biryani? It was good, very good. Very good, right? Yeah. Yes. The flavors were robust, spice levels were high, and the recipe that I tried out in my channel is similar to this biryani, but with the milder flavor. So you can add a teaspoon of red chili powder more for this biryani, and the mutton had a lot of fat in it. It's sheep actually, or lamb, and not goat meat. So you can come over here. It's a nice experience. I mean, a very unique experience of having.
Very unique experience.
Yeah, having
in the early morning.
Early in the morning, yeah. And the place opens at 5 AM and closes until the biryani lasts out. So you can definitely come over here, especially if you are traveling to Chennai via Andhra Pradesh or via Gola, you can stop by here and try this biryani out. There are only 3 dishes available here. One is the mutton biryani. There's no chicken biryani here. Chicken kebab and
Kalsu.
kalsu.
Ayasu.
Ayasu. Yeah.
Ayasu
Place
is also good.
Yeah, and also priced reasonably for the amount of food, the quantity of food. Yes.
And there are small pieces of mutton in this, unlike the normal biryani. Donne biryani, right? It's a donne biryani style. You have the plates and the leaves,
It is,
banana leaf.
it is similar to donne biryani, but the color is red because they don't make the paste of pudina and coriander leaves, and they don't use green chilies here, and the spice comes from the red chili powder. Yeah, you can make this kind of biryanis at home. Yeah, but it's a nice experience of having biryani early in the morning. So until the next video, ciao. If you like the video, please give this video a like and also share it with your friends.